Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this Valentine's inspired glitter cut crease. It's just going to be pinks and reds and maroons, very fun and festive for Valentine's Day. So if you want to see how to do that, then go ahead and keep watching. So to start, I already did my eyebrows. I'm going to go in with the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette. I'm going to start with this white shade right here and just go all over my eyelids with that shade. And take it up even onto the brow bone, highlight the brow bone a little bit with that. Next I'm going to go in with this shade right here, this like matte shade, the matte pink. And put that right in like my outer corner and into my crease as well. Okay, so you can see that's all in the crease and right in the outer corner. And now I'm going to go in with this middle shade here, this light brown shade. And put that right in the outer corner and a little bit lower in the crease than I put that pinkish red shade. I got this palette for Christmas and I think it's so pretty. I had the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette and all the shades are so pretty. Now I want to get the rose gold one, but I really don't need it right now. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm going to go into this dark shade right here and just put that on a flat brush. And kind of just put that right in the outer corner and take it up a tiny bit, not too far. I don't want to pull it all the way over like I did for the other colors. I just want to darken up that outer corner there. It's okay if it's a little bit sloppy because you're going to go in with the concealer just to create that cut crease. So that will clean up really any type of problems you have. So that helps a lot. Done. I'm going to go in with this Milani Retouch and Erase concealer. And I'm just going to take a flat brush and take a tiny bit of that concealer and just start carving out right in that eye there. So I usually start right in like the corner and just kind of put a little bit in and then carve it out from there and then kind of clean everything up afterwards. Alright, and then you're just going to do that on both sides. So I try to take it a little bit farther out rather than keeping it right in the middle, just because I like the way that it looks a little bit better. I know that some people, when I've seen pictures, it seems like they kind of have it more right in the middle, but I'm not really a fan of how that looks. So I take it out kind of like 3/4 of the way or so. Then we're going to go back in with that Huda Beauty palette and take just a flat brush and go in with this light pink shimmery shade there. What I like to do is just spray it with like some setting spray, spray the brush a little bit, just so it picks up that shimmer a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with that light pink color and just pat that right over where the concealer is. And once you finish with that shade, I go in with like a mixture of this pink shade and this like more reddish pink shade, just a tiny bit, just to add a little bit of like dimension on there. So not to completely block out that light pink color, just brighten it up. I just think it makes it look a lot prettier rather than looking just flat, kind of. I don't know if you can tell, but this one just looks a little bit more pink than this one. This one's just like a lot lighter. And once you finish up with that, just go back in with that dark brown shade that you put in the inner corner or outer corner before. And just kind of put that right where the two colors come together, just so they blend together a little bit easier. And then what I like to do is go back in with the color that you put in this crease. Just kind of run that over the crease one more time, just to blend everything together a little bit better. So you still can see the cut crease really well, but everything's blended together a lot better. And then I'm going to go back in with that same shade and put it right under the eyelid there. Then I'm going to go back in with that dark brown shade once again and put that under the lower lash line as well. Now I'm going to put some primer on my face before I put on my foundation. So currently I've been using this Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer. And I really like primers that are supposed to help with your pores and just make them look smaller and everything like that. So I've really been liking this one. Well done, I'm going to go in with my foundation. I'm going to be using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is the Dewy and Smooth foundation. And I'm in the shade 210. So I'm just going to apply that all over my face with a damp beauty blender. This foundation has been really nice just because my skin in the winter gets really, really dry. So this kind of helps so it doesn't dry out quite as much like some of the matte foundations. Make sure you take the foundation a little bit down your neck too, just to really make sure everything blends together really easily so you don't have like a darker color on your face than what you have on the rest of your body. This helps it all blend together a lot better. The only thing I've noticed with this foundation is you really have to make sure you set it, otherwise I've noticed a lot of transfer when if I touch my face at all. So make sure that if you use it, you do set it. I don't know if anyone else has had those problems, but that's just one that I ran into. And now I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape to conceal my under eyes and my face. This is going to be in the light medium honey shade. Now I'm going to go in with this Hoola bronzer by Benefit. And I'm just going to take a big fluffy brush and put that right along like my cheekbone, almost a little bit underneath. Just bronze my face up a little bit. I'm also going to take it up and kind of put it right on the outer edge sides of my face as well. Now I am going to go in and set my under eyes a little bit. I'm just going to go in with this Ulta don't know if you can see because of the light, this mineral setting powder. And I'm just gonna go in with a like small fluffy brush and put that right underneath my eyes. And then I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my face. I'm gonna use this Alchemist palette by Kat Von D. This palette is so pretty. I wanted it for the longest time and didn't buy it, and I finally just decided to do it. And it has all these shades here. It's hard to tell on camera what the different shades, but there's a green, a purple, a blue, and a pink, and they're just so pretty to me. So I'm gonna go in with the pink and just take a little bit of that and highlight my face. I don't know if you can see the color of it, but it's a really pretty pink. I'm gonna use that same shade to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone as well. I also really like to highlight like my Cupid's bow area, and then just take it up a little bit right here. If you didn't know, highlight is like one of my favorite makeup products, so I will highlight anywhere that it doesn't look completely ridiculous. And I'm just gonna blend that in a little bit with my beauty blender. Now I'm gonna go in with some mascara. I'm gonna be using this Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. I heard so many great things about it. It's by L'Oreal. And I really like the Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced, and I heard this one was like really good and compared to it. So I figured I'd give it a shot, and so far I'm really liking it. Now that that's finished, I'm gonna go in with this lipstick. It's Blacka & Co. It's in the color Storm. I got it in my BoxyCharm a couple months ago, and it looks like it'd be like this dark brown, but it's actually like a really pretty like maroon color. But it's really dark. I don't know that I'm really a fan of this applicator because I feel like it's easy to mess up. Okay, so we're all finished there. The last thing I'm gonna go in and do is set my face. I just got this MAC Fix Plus. I've always heard so many good things about it, and look how tiny this bottle is. It's so cute. So I'm gonna just set my face with this. And that is it. That is the finished look. So I think it's a really fun, pretty look to do for Valentine's Day, or if you're just feeling like wearing pink or something like that. I really like this type of look. I like the glitter and the maroons. That's one of my go-tos in my opinion. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!